Hey boys and girls, welcome back to George Basic Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to set alerts on Tradingview. So first of all, you need to log into your account and then you need to choose the stock on which you want to set the alert. For example, let's choose Netflix. And when we go to the chart, we need to open the full chart right here. So when we open the full chart in the top, we need to find the alerts. Right here, guys, we need to click on it, and now we need to set the alert. Here is the Netflix symbol. There is condition. You can set on price or volume. It's depend on which you want. You can choose the value. So for example, let's choose 950. And when the price will go up and when it reach $950 mark, the alert will be triggered and you will get the notification, guys. So let's have a look on the triggers. You want only once or every time. You can set the expiration. For example, let's choose 1st May. You need to set the name for the alert. For example, Netflix 950. And here's the message. When the alert will be triggered, you will see this message, guys. So you can customize this message. There is also a notifications tab in the top right. You can choose where you want to see the notifications. You can also send notifications to your email. And once you will fill all the necessary gaps, you need to click the create button right here and you will set the alert. So that's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.